In this video, I'm going to make a comparison between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra with Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. We know that Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max haven't been released yet, but there are certainly many rumors and leaks which suggest that all the information regarding the specification of that particular device has been leaked. So let's begin the video. So starting from the display of both the devices, we are going to find a 6.9-inch of dynamic AMOLED display in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and it is coming with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection, which is 2 times better than the previous generation of Gorilla Glass. HDR10 Plus support and 120Hz of refresh rate is going to be included inside the display. With that being said, 120Hz of refresh rate is going to be available on Full HD Plus resolution rather than on QHD Plus. It has a variable of 120Hz of refresh rate, and it can change between 1Hz and 120Hz depends upon the application. Meanwhile, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a 6.7-inch of Super AMOLED XDR OLED panel, and that panel is coming with a Gorilla Glass protection as well. It is not yet been confirmed which kind of a Gorilla Glass, but obviously it is going to be the latest one. HDR10 Plus support or 120Hz of ProMotion is also included inside the device, and that is going to be awesome thing from them. Both of these devices are coming with 5G compatibility inside. Turning the device's backside, we will find out that the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is coming with a triple camera setup on the backside with the support of laser autofocus for better focusing in 108 megapixels camera sensor, which is the main sensor of the device, and the other camera sensor are going to be a 12 megapixel of periscopic zoom camera that is going to be coming with a 5x of optical zoom and 50x of hybrid zoom inside. Last camera is going to be a 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera sensor, and that is going to record up to 120 of ultra wide shots. LED flashlight is also available inside, and also you can record 8K videos in 24 frames per second, a 4K video in 30 and 60 frames per second. Also, the 108 megapixel camera sensor is supported by optical image stabilization. Meanwhile, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with quad camera setup on the back side, and it is coming with a 12 megapixel main camera sensor, a 12 megapixel of a telephoto lens which has the capability of 3x of optical zoom, and optical image stabilization is also present in both the camera sensor. 12 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera, and a new camera sensor which is going to be time of flight or 3D lidar scanner is going to be present inside, and that is going to be first ever sensor which Apple is going to be including in their iPhone models, and that scanner is going to be using for 3D augmented reality for better shot. So maximum you can record a 4K video inside the iPhone 12 Pro Max. That is going to be pretty much similar to the iPhone 11 Pro Max compatibility in terms of camera. Only a new lidar scanner has been included inside the device. While on the front we have a 10 megapixel of a camera sensor for a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and it can also record a 4K video recording, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max is coming with a 12 megapixel of a camera sensor which can also record a 4K video recording. Internally, both the devices are pretty much different from each other, and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is coming with 2 different variants for different markets. Globally, you will see an Exynos 990 processor inside the device, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset is going to be available for US, China and South Korea. So pretty much there is going to be a big difference between both of these processors. Snapdragon 865 Plus processor is coming with a 3.0 GHz of processing power, whereas the Exynos 990 is going to be on a 2.5 GHz of processing power. Well, moving on towards the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, you will be finding out an Apple A14 5nm chipset inside the device, and that chipset is even more faster than the Snapdragon 865 Plus. Currently, the A13 is even faster than the Snapdragon 865. So RAM wise, we will find out maximum 12 GB of RAM inside the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, and from base variant of 128 GB storage up to 512 GB of internal storage inside the device. You will also find out a UFS 3.1 storage option, which is even faster than the previous generation of UFS 3.0. A micro SD card slot is also available in the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and that is going to be good option for the Galaxy fans. Whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max is expected to come with the 6 GB of RAM with base variant of 128 GB and a maximum storage option of 512 GB inside the device. There is no micro SD card slot available inside the device as well. Battery wise, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is coming with a 4500 mAh of battery inside with a fast charging compatibility of 45 watt, but the charger inside the box you will find out is only be 25 watt. It also supports reverse wireless charging and wireless charging as well. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max is expected to come with a 4000 mAh of battery inside with a fast charging compatibility of 18 watt. It also supports reverse wireless charging and wireless charging as well. So lastly is going to be the price of both the devices. Well, the price for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is going to be $1,281, whereas the iPhone 12 Pro Max expected price will be around $1,100. So overall, this is going to be an early opinion from my side based on the leaks and renders for the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Note 20 Ultra, which has been launched a couple of days earlier. So I believe that Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will have a little bit edge on the camera department, and as well as it will have some edge over the battery as well. Other than that, I feel that iPhone 12 Pro Max will be going to have a great design, and also it will coming with a great specification inside. And one of the important things which Apple is going to provide is the 5G compatibility in their devices. So guys, what are your opinion regarding both of these devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates and news. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.